am on a little trip to Australia, and I have been very lucky to be able to try some amazing food here. And today I have brought you with me to one of the foodie places, and it's called Eat Street in Brisbane, and it's a massive area, and it's got stall after stall of food, savory, sweet. It's got lots and lots of really nice music going on in the background, and I'm going to just take you along with me so you can see, get a glimpse of what it is like here in Eat Street, and hope you will enjoy it. So you've seen some really nice savory food. I've had a try at a lot of things, some calamari, some pasta, some Korean fried chicken, and some other bits in between. But now I'm moving on to the desserts, and I'm going to take you to the dessert section. While I'm still enjoying the cronut with the ice cream, I've also gone for some donut fries with ice cream, lots of Kit Kats, wafers, the works basically.
Oh my lord. No, I've made a mistake. Alright, let's get it to the booth.
That is it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed coming with me to Eat Street. I am definitely most certainly stuffed and full of all the delicious food. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. I have to say this place was really nice, and the choices were amazing, the food was delicious, the atmosphere was buzzing, and I had a fantastic evening. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Bye for now.